Very
This
good.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay, let's begin with the topic now. Sets is the topic. What is there in the this particular chapter? We call it as sets. So let's begin with the title. What is there in this particular chapter? Sets. There are many things like representation of the sets, how we represent the sets, and so many terms and many things are there. But before going all these things, we are going to I'm expecting something from you, and the expectation from you is that you should have some knowledge regarding number system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now if you have some knowledge regarding number system, so we can start from number system and then we will explore the topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, there are some standard notations also which we are going to use in this particular chapter. But before going ahead, let's read this particular statements. Can you read this statement?
Okay, sir. Collection of tall students in your school.
Okay.
Collection of those students of your school whose height is more than 180 centimeter. Collection of honest person in your colony. Collection of
Okay.
those.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. Collection
Please.
of those people in your
Hmm.
colony who have never been found involved in any theft case.
Okay.
Collection of interesting books in your school library. Collection of mathematic books in your school library. Collection
Hmm.
of intelligent students in your school. Collection of those students in your school who have scored more than 80% mark in annual examination.
Okay. So this is the left side of the column and this is the right side of the column. Can you list out the number of tall students in your school? Exactly.
No, sir,
Why?
because there are many. It depends upon the height they are in.
It depends upon the definition to whom we are calling taller person. Okay. Be it more than 6 feet or more than 5 feet, we can't define it. Not tall means how much tall. We should be specific. Okay. So all these lines, all these statements in the left hand side, it has no specific definition. They are not well defined. They are not.
Well defined.
They are well defined. Nahi hai. They are not well defined. And what about the right hand side?
They have some specifications given.
They have some specification. They are well defined. All these statements are specific and they are all well defined. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
can you list out those students in your school whose height is more than 180 centimeter? Yes.
Yes.
So that's that collection which defines some definite things, which list out some definite things, is called as sets. This is the topic. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see more something about the sets. For example, there are some standard notations to represent the sets. Okay.
Okay,
Like
sir.
when we talk about set of numbers. So first set you have learnt about the numbers is the natural number. Okay.
Okay.
So do you know what are the numbers in the set of natural numbers? They are 1, 2, 3, 5,
3,
and so on.
5, infinite.
Okay, this particular set is called as infinite set.
Okay, sir.
Infinite. And this is also called as a set of real numbers. Okay, what we call it?
Real numbers.
Set of real numbers.
Okay.
Okay, and what about W?
Whole numbers. The set of whole
Yeah,
numbers.
this is the set of
0,
whole
1,
numbers.
2,
Yeah, and how we write set of whole numbers as
0,
0,
1, 2,
1,
3,
2, 3, and so
and
on.
so
This is
on.
also infinite set. Okay,
Okay,
infinite
sir.
means, yeah, you cannot count it. And what about Z? Set of
Integer.
integers. Yes. And there are many things like set of real numbers, set of rationals. Okay.
Okay.
These are the sets by which you are already familiar with, but you was not knowing the term set. Okay. But you already know the set of these numbers.
Okay.
Now there are more some more symbols. like belongs to. They are mathematical symbols. Okay. When you
Okay.
learn higher mathematics, you go through some mathematical symbols. So mathematics is all about symbols and concepts. Okay. So what is this belongs to? When I say 2 belongs to natural number, is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Like you belong to which state?
Tamil Nadu.
So Karen belongs to Tamil Nadu. Okay.
Okay.
Or Tamil Nadu belongs to India, something like that.
Okay.
And you belong to which district? I mean, the state has district and then cities like that. So you belong to
Yeah.
which district?
Chennai.
Chennai. So if this is India outside, and then
Okay.
within India there is Tamil Nadu, and then your city, that is Chennai. Okay. So these are called sets.
Okay.
The smaller one are called as subsets. Subsets.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And the elements belongs to, either they belongs to the set or they do not belong to the set. So we have two symbols now. If you write, this is called as epsilon, mathematical Greek letter it is. Okay. Throughout the world we use the same symbol, whether you go China or USA or UK or any country, Asian, non-Asian, wherever you will go throughout the globe, you will find the same symbol. Okay. They are all international standard symbol, and we epsilon, they are all Greek letters. Okay. So this is
Okay.
belongs to, this is not belongs to. So
Okay.
Karen does not belongs to Karnataka.
True statement.
Huh. Okay, but Karen belongs to Tamil Nadu, like that. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let's move ahead and let's see what is in the next page. Representation of set. How do we represent a set? Okay, so
Okay.
there are two methods to represent a set. First is the listed form. Listed form, that means we list out the members, we list out the elements of the set. Like in the earlier example, collection of all students which are taller than 180 centimeter. So if the set is A, so it may be list like student 1, student 2, student 3, like that. This is called listing. This is called as tabular form or roster form. We call it as a roster form.
Tabular or roster form.
Yeah, where you can list out like vowels, list of vowels. Can you see? This is the listing.
Okay.
Set of natural numbers less than 7. Can you
Okay.
see?
1, 2,
1,
5, 6.
5, 5, 6. Yeah, exactly. This form is called as a roster form or tabular form. And there is another form, we call it as a set builder form. And what is a set builder form? It is a definition form. What is that?
Definition form.
Definition form. This is which holds some common property. Which holds some common property.
Property.
Yeah, like read this particular sentence.
Which one, sir?
This second.
Let A be the set of natural numbers less than 7. Then A is equal to x is to x.
X is such that x is to
Okay.
x, not x is such that
Okay. N and x are less than 7.
Okay, wait. I am reading. Okay, this is read as A is equal to x is such that x belongs to natural number. We read it x belongs to natural number. Read it.
X belongs to natural numbers.
And the second one, x is less than 7.
Okay, x is less than 7.
So this is the definition now. Okay. Can we
Okay,
make
sir.
some more definitions like that? A is equal
Yes.
to x is such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 7 but more than 3. Can we list out?
Yes, sir.
What are the numbers? Are they 4, 5, 6?
4, 5, 6. Yes, sir.
Exactly. So this definition form is called as a set builder form. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now we have some questions to practice to understand the concept. What is the set builder form and what is the roster form? So in this lecture, we are going to learn only these two things: how to represent sets, represent that means representation of the sets. We can represent sets in two forms, in two methods. First method is called as a roster method, and second is called as a
Set builder form.
is it right? Okay, so only these two things we are going to focus in this particular class, then we'll end the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now just read the example 1.1.
Write the following in set builder form. Okay.
Good. So now are they in roster form?
Yeah. Yes,
This
sir.
is in roster form. Why we call it as a roster or tabular form? Because this is listed. Okay, we can list out all the elements. So
Okay.
is there any definition in this particular, any common property in all these elements? Do they have?
Yeah, they are integers,
They are integers. Which kind of the integer they are?
both negative and positive, which lie between
There is boundary,
minus.
or there is a boundary in this integer or not? I mean,
Yes, sir.
what is the boundary?
-3.
They
X
all
is
lie.
less
Yeah,
greater than
exactly. They all belongs from -3 to positive.
+3.
Okay, you are doing fantastic. Okay, Karen, you are very good in mathematics. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And, yeah, Malcolm. And what about this B?
B.
Can you identify the numbers? Which kind of the numbers it is?
It's skipping in 3, sir.
Yeah, this
No.
comes in. Yeah, all these numbers comes in table of 3. 3 ones are
Yes,
3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are
12.
12. Now, how to write this number table? Are they all in form of 3n,
Yes, sir.
where n is a natural number and the counting is from 1 to 4?
Okay.
So this is the way how we write in the set builder form. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now can you write one more question in set builder form? I'm giving you. You just write in your copy, click it, and WhatsApp me. Okay. I'm just giving
Okay,
you
sir.
some like 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. These are all numbers I'm giving you. This is set C, and you write this set in set builder form. This is right now in roster form. You convert it into set builder form.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please solve it and then we'll move ahead.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Take your time, please.
Yes, sir. I did it.
Okay, just click the photo and send to WhatsApp number.
Phone.
Are you sitting in desktop or you are using mobile for learning?
I'm using my tab right now.
Okay, you are sitting with your tab. Okay, just send the image.
Just a minute, sir. Sir, I
Okay,
sent it.
can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
X is such that x is equal to, there should be is equal to sign 5
Okay.
and n belongs to perfect. Great, you have done great job. Good.
Sir.
Okay, clapping for you. Wonderful. And what
Thank
about yeah, and what about example 1.2? Please read the
you. We have
question.
converted into set builder form.
Yeah,
For
we have
roster form, we have convert it into roster form from
Yeah, the question is given in set builder form, and you have to convert this into roster form. Can you list out the numbers? Can you write in roster form this A and B?
Yes, sir.
Please write and send me the answer. But this time, don't flip the question. Okay, don't flip the answer. Okay, I mean, don't rotate the page. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. 1 second,
Okay.
sir. Sir, the second question is not clear, sir.
Second question is not clear. Is it your first answer? I mean, C is 51, 51 to 60. That's right answer. Okay. And
Okay.
but there is a is equal to sign also. I mean, 50
Oh, I'm
and
not able to see that.
50 and 60 both are included.
Okay, I'm not able to see that.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. No issue. You're correct. So what should be the number from? It should be from 50 to 60,
50 to 60.
including 50 and 60. They are called as boundary points. Okay. What we
Okay,
call?
sir.
They are boundary
Boundary
points.
point.
Boundary points are also included here. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
what about the this set D? I mean, this is quadratic. You know quadratic equation,
Yeah.
how to solve it? Yeah, just solve quadratic, you will get
Splitting the
250.
middle term.
Yeah. You know how to solve quadratic?
Yes, sir. Splitting the middle term.
Yeah, splitting the middle term. Very good. Solve it.
I'm not able to see the question, sir.
Okay, okay. Wait. Now is it visible?
Ah, yes, sir.
Kiran, did you split it?
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is it plus or minus, sir? Minus 5x or plus 5x, sir?
Minus 5x.
Okay.
So we can write minus 5x like minus 3 and minus 2
3 and
something.
minus 2. Minus
So
3 and plus 2, sir.
minus 3 and minus 2.
How come minus 2, sir? Because it's
Minus
minus.
minus 2, the sum is minus 5 and the product is 6.
Oh, okay, okay.
So you will get two roots. One is 3 and one is 2. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
what will be the tabular or roster form? Simple. 2 comma 3.
Oh, okay, sir. The two
Okay.
products should be written as the answer here, sir.
What you said?
We should write the two products as the answers for this question, sir.
No, we have to write the value of x. I mean, when you solve this quadratic equation, you get two zeros,
Okay.
two roots. So what is the value of x here? 2 and
2
3.
and 3.
You know, every quadratic has two roots,
Yes, sir.
and the roots are here 2 and 3. So this is the roster form here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this was all about from my side, and one more question I would like to give you for this particular topic. Can you read the particular question one?
Okay. Which of the following collections are sets?
Hmm.
The collection of days in a week starting with S. The collection of natural numbers up to
Can you can you
50.
can you list out these elements? Is it a set? Collection of
Mm,
days in a,
yes, sir.
what are they? Saturday, Sunday.
Sunday.
Is it a set?
That's yes, sir.
What about second? Is it a set or not?
Yes, sir. The number is lying between
What about third?
one collection of poems written by. I guess yes, sir.
Yeah, all the collection of Tulsidas can be listed in one set. What about the fourth?
No, sir.
Can,
It cannot be.
can you define fat student? There is no definition of fat student. Okay.
There is no exact value given,
Yeah.
specified value.
There is, yeah, we can't define this word fat student. Okay. What about insert the appropriate symbol? I mean, one belongs to the set or not?
One belongs to set A. Yes, sir.
What
4 is
about
not.
four? Okay.
It does not
This is, yeah. What about question number 3?
write each of the following set in roster form. Okay. -5, -4, -3. Shall I write it in sensor?
No, just tell me.
-5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0.
Very good. Very good. What about second?
Okay. R. I don't know how to solve this.
This is again quadratics. Very simple. I mean, can you see x square minus 1 equals to 0? What it mean?
Uh,
X is plus minus 1. Can you find square root of 1? If x square
sorry?
is 1, if x
Yes, sir.
square is 1, what is x?
1 only, sir. Plus or minus 1.
Plus minus 1. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Because just put here minus 1 square minus 1. Again you get 0. 1 square minus 1. Again you get 0. Okay?
Okay.
What about third? See?
Letter of words. Yes, sir, it is a set.
Yeah, it is a set. We can define it. All the letters of banana like B, A,
A,
N.
that's it.
Only
Only
once you
3.
have to write. Only once
No,
you have to write.
sir.
No repetition is not allowed.
Okay, sir.
What about D?
X is the prime number.
Do you know prime numbers?
Yes, sir.
So can you list out prime numbers which are exact divisor of 60?
3, 2,
3, 2, very good. 5,
5, and then
think, and so on. Just keep thinking on.
3, 2, 5, then 2 and go and 7. Then,
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Karen, just
yes,
uh,
sir.
just just take a screenshot of question number 4
Okay.
and solve question number 4
Okay, sir.
and just send me the answer. Okay, by tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Have nice interaction with you, Karen.
Thank you, sir.